Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use the trending effect called the Magnified Eyes on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect is really fun and it's simple to do, which basically gives you a pair of magnified eyes. This was actually a sticker and TikTok have now made it into an effect. So let me show you how to do it. Open your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover at the bottom. Search for Magnified Eyes. It'll appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now it may not be available in all countries, however keep checking as TikTok is rolling it out slowly to everyone. Now scroll through the videos on how others have used this effect. To make this video trending, you'll need to use a sound which is used with this effect. The sound is "My name is Susie" and you can set it to your favorites by going into one of the videos which uses that sound. Now when you're ready to record, tap on the record button to record your video using this effect. You should see two circles in the middle of the screen. This will magnify whatever is in that circle. If you want to pin it to your eyes, tap on it once and it'll pin to your eyes. Now before you begin recording, tap on Add Sound, then go into your favorites and make sure the sound is selected which suits this effect. Now record your video and be as creative as you like. Usually creators show their face with the magnifying eyes effect when the lyrics "Hello my Susie" is said. Unfortunately, I cannot play the sound, as then this video will be flagged for copyright. And there you go, that is how to use a trending effect called Magnified Eyes on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.